You got a fetish for you jolly. Hey guys, welcome back to youtube.com/MeekFro. And today I'm just trying out these color sprays that I bought from Walmart. I ran into them. I wasn't planning on going into Walmart to buy these, but I ended up buying them because I thought they were extremely unique. Now, these are by Dark and Lovely. This video is not sponsored. This is just a product that I wanted to try. So I'll give you a close-up on these products here. As you can see, I have 3 different colors. The first one is Dark and Lovely Go Intense color spray called Lucky Lavender. Kind of giving you a light purple, a lavender color. They call it makeup for hair. It easily rinses out. That's the back of it. You can even use it for braids. As you can see, I have on some Faux Locs by Superline collection. If you have not watched that video of me installing them, then you should go check that out. The next color I have by Dark and Lovely, it's a Purple Rain. It's a darker purple, as you can see. And then the last one is the Rose Gold. They had plenty of other colors. It seemed like no one was buying them from the Walmart that I went to. Yeah, as you can see by the tops here, it has some purple on it. That means I have tried all 3 already, but you know, not to the extent that I would like. So I think by like the 3rd day, the colors started to come out. You could kind of see a hint of it in my locks. I'm going to, for you guys' sake, show you exactly, you know, the intensity of it on this particular hair. My natural hair is brown. This hair here, the locks, was a color 2, which is like a dark brown kind of. So these locks did not come purple. They did not come rose gold. They did not come a lavender color. You can also apply these sprays to natural hair. So it is said that you should get a towel that you don't mind messing up. This isn't dye. It's I really don't know what it's made out of. So I got my towel on. This is just a bun here. I should probably take this down. Lucky Lavender. And they say you can mix the colors or whatever you're into that. This is what the knob looks like. As you can see, there's the test. So just to do a little strip test for you guys to show you what this color looks like on dark brown hair. It's what it looks like. It's the lavender. Of course, you want to do these like this color with streaks. You could just do that. This is the Purple Rain. I'm just going to take another strip here. Just take it. This is another strip of hair. Little patch in. And that is the Purple Rain. As you can see, it's way darker than the lavender. Pretty cute and subtle. And this is what happens when you put the Purple Rain on top of the lavender. It intensifies. See that? That's just the Purple Rain. This is just the lavender right there. But when you put the Purple Rain on top of the lavender, that is what you get. And lastly, we have the Rose Gold. Just gonna get another strip of hair here. Show y'all what that looks like. There's the knob. My hands are getting messy, but of course it, ooh. Looks beautiful right there. I think the rose gold is my favorite. If you don't want too intense of a color, you can just do a little squirt. Let me show you. Like a very mild. See, like that. Instead of so harsh, just lightly spray it from afar. And kind of give you some highlights, you know? Yeah. It says that you have to let this dry. And I even did some of my ends. I was gonna try to do the whole thing this color, the rose gold, but it's gone. So I will definitely be buying more of the rose gold. I think that's my favorite. So there we have the rose gold. We have the purples on this side. Boom. Cute. So all in all, I think the bottles should be bigger. Most definitely. We should have an option to buy a bigger bottle from that brand. So that is it. That is it for this video, you guys. Here are my results. Very cute. Of course, the rose gold is my favorite. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. See you in the next video. Thumbs up this video, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos like these. See you in the next video. Ooh, this comes off with soap. Remember, comes right off with soap. Shampoo, whatever. It comes right off, okay? Watch the rain. Watch the rain. If it's raining, I don't know if you should be wearing these. Bye, guys.